What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm making creamy shrimp pasta. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this one my way, my version, and my style. Yeah, man.
Real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. Wally pass.
Here I have some raw shrimp already washed with lemon and vinegar, and I'm adding some Old Bay seasoning to this along with some black pepper, some dry thyme, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some lemon pepper. I'm gonna add a dash of oil, and then I'm gonna season and let marinate. I'm gonna sit that aside, and then I cook the pasta. Here I have some rotini pasta. You can always use any pasta of your choice. And right here I have heavy cream. Yes, I'm using heavy whipping cream. I have the water on the fire, so I'm going to go ahead and add some pink salt to that. So now I'm adding the pasta to the boiling water. And then I'm going to add some carrots to that I cut up small. Over here, I have the pot on the fire. I'm adding a small portion of oil, and I'm going to go ahead and fry the shrimp. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and do so. Thank you so much. So here I have the shrimp already fried. I'm just going to put them one side and come back to that. I have another pot here. I'm adding a small portion of oil to that, and I'm going to go ahead and saute down the onion and the garlic. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the sauce for the pasta. Now I'm adding the bell pepper and the scallion. I'm just going to saute this down a little. Now I'm adding the heavy whipping cream. At this point, I'm going to add some seasoning. I'm adding some salt-free seasoning to this. Followed by some lemon pepper. Now I'm adding some black pepper and some dry parsley flake. I'm just gonna mix and get everything incorporated and let it simmer down a little, and then I add the pasta. Now I'm adding the pasta. I'm just gonna mix this up and make sure everything is all covered in the sauce. And look at it, guys. The sauce is getting thicker and thicker. And this smells so good. Now it's time to add back the shrimp. So now it's time to add the shrimp to the pasta. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up and get everything incorporated. Now it's time to add some Parmesan cheese to that. And look at the pasta, guy. Wow, looks so good. And guys, this smells so good. Yes, you gotta try this recipe out. I'm gonna go ahead and share me a plate. Okay? And there you have it, lovely people. My creamy pasta is ready. I'm just going to garnish it with some scallion. I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, where you wait, man, just go ahead, man, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man.
Mr. J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine.